Okay, so we said for months and months, go out, get vaccinated. Go out there, it will change things. It will make things different and better if everyone gets vaccinated. We kept telling people how transcendent it would be, and look, it has happened. It has come to pass that now, because so many people have gotten vaccinated, life in the city gets more and more energetic, more and more normal every day. This is what we've been waiting for, the chance for New York City to really take off. This is why we keep talking about the summer in New York City, because once we get into July, it's a whole new ball game, and amazing things are going to happen. Now, this year that we've been through, it has literally been the greatest crisis in the history of New York City. We were knocked down, but we got back up. And that's something to celebrate about this city. So last year, I got a question one day saying, hey, when are we going to bring back our big events, the things we love each year? When are we going to bring back the really big parades that people come to from all over the city? And I said, we will bring them back. And I felt very confident we'd bring them back this year, 2021. But I said the first parade back, the first true large parade in New York City, will be one to celebrate the heroes of the fight against COVID, our healthcare heroes, who were extraordinary and need to be remembered for the ages, our first responders, our essential workers, the people who kept us alive, the people who kept the city going no matter what. We are going to hold a parade to honor them, to thank them, to celebrate them. It's going to be an example of the great tradition of Tickertape parades. Tickertape parades up the Canyon of Heroes. They've happened for generations. But this one is going to have a special spirit to it, a special heart and soul, because it's about celebrating everyday New Yorkers who did something so heroic and need our thanks. It's time for the parade to celebrate our hometown heroes. So I'm announcing today that parade will be on Wednesday, July 7th, and it's something you want to be a part of. We're going to have essential workers celebrated. Groups of essential workers, floats for healthcare workers, first responders, educators, municipal workers, transportation workers, grocery and bodega workers, delivery people, you name it, all the essential workers who made it happen, everyone who kept it together in New York City for all of us and brought us back. It's a day to celebrate and appreciate the heroes who often go unsung. We're going to sing about them this day. We're always going to remember the pain and the tragedy of COVID. No one is going to ever forget those we lost and what families are still going through. But we need a day to celebrate the heroism of everyday New Yorkers. Wednesday, July 7th, the Canyon of Heroes will be that moment, a parade you will remember for the rest of your life to celebrate people who we need to keep in our hearts, true New York City heroes who did something for the ages. I really look forward to being a part of that moment and thanking all of our heroes who saw us through.